Okay, today I'm going to be working on recharging an air conditioning system on a 2007 Toyota Yaris, and I'm going to be doing it with some gloves, some safety goggles. I have this food thermometer. I'm not sure how much this is going to help, but we'll see if it tells us anything from the AC vent. And really, I'll be using this Easy Chill with leak sealer to recharge the air conditioning refrigerant. So the first step is actually going to be going into the car itself. Here it is. Okay, and we need to pop the hood, which on this car is right here. The other thing we want to do is we want to turn on the car
while setting the AC fans to max.
And really crank the AC.
At the bottom section of the same dial to recirculate air, press the AC button and enable the vents, and make sure the temperature is on its lowest setting.
Let's see how that goes.
Now we can pop the hood and inspect the AC components.
The AC compressor is turning, so the AC is working. Here is the low side pressure valve, which is where we'd use to fill it. So now I'm going to hook up the gauge to the low pressure side, and then we're going to take a reading on there with the car running. You need to pull back on this right here. Okay, and we can see that it is just a little bit low. Okay. When I look on here, it's almost to the bottom. It's not just quite getting below 60 degrees. And for air conditioner, you want it to be way below, breaking the needle off. You want it to be like 50, 40 degrees blowing air out of the vents. So it's a little bit undercharged, and we are going to see if we can charge it the rest of the way up. Alright, so now is where I am going to put the gloves on and the safety goggles here. And now we're going to unscrew our gauge assembly. And then we need to take off this safety disc. Alright, now we're going to put this on here, and this is going to pierce the can, and it's going to be an active live can after we do this. Alright, it feels like it's on there pretty good. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, we have it on there. We have a reading. And then we're just going to rotate this around as we fill it and pull the trigger. So I'm going to pull the trigger now. And rotating this up and down as I do it. And then every 15 or 10 seconds, I'm going to let go and take a pressure reading. All right, I'm almost where I want to be. I want to be at 30, and I'm going to stop at 30. It's better to underfill than overfill. That is right where I want to be. I'm going to stop right here. Pull this off. And then put our screw cap back on. Okay. Oh, we can see, look, the needle really has broken off. It is ice cold in here. The air feels a lot colder. It was barely getting to 60. It's below the gauge. That's what we wanted to have happen. So we just successfully refilled our air conditioning refrigerant, and it's working.